Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. My name is Natasya with matrix number A9Y90086. So today I would like to present my PSM1 project with technologist Dr. Muhammad Nazrul bin Roslan as my supervisor. So the title that I have chosen for this project is Formulating Design and Fabrication of Thin Bamboo Slicing Machine for Bamboo Fiber Processing. There is three parts of this presentation, which is number one, introduction, literature review, and methodology. So firstly, we start with the introduction. So first, what is bamboo? Bamboo is a grass that grows mostly in warm or tropical area, where it can play a significant role in the ecosystem. Different sections of different bamboo species are used for a variety of purposes and are known to have significant medicinal value. As we can see at the figure below, bamboo is divided into two categories, which is sympodial, clump, and monopodial, running. Sympodial bamboo develop into shoot, which is subsequently grow into new stem. But while monopodial bamboo is grow in running and mainly warm climate. On average, we can see too many things that are made using bamboo. We can see a lot of benefits and uses of bamboo, which is construction of building, bridge, road, welding, toys, rug, furniture, and range of other little goods. So here, I provide the problem statement for this project. To get outcome and benefits from bamboo, it requires a lot of processing and method. There is too much work to carry out, which costs too many workers are needed to success the bamboo slicing process. As we can see, when people using traditional way to slicing a bamboo, there is a lot of work and effect, such as we can get a bad quality bamboo, high time consuming, low production rate, and lack of consistency. Now, let's move to the objective of this project. So the first objective is to design and model a bamboo slicer machine using commercial 3D software, which is SolidWorks. Second is to analyze 3D assembly design by using motion analysis simulation. And lastly, to fabricate and evaluate the performance of bamboo slicer machine. The scope of this study is all the design of the machine will be designed using SolidWorks and will be analyzed with the simulation and analysis motion in the SolidWorks. In this study, a thin bamboo slicing machine will be fabricated and will be sent to the fabricator. Consider all the time consumed in traditionally slicing a bamboo to get appropriate thickness. The thin bamboo slicing machine can solve the problem as the machine will not get tired and provide consistency when slicing a bamboo. When we look at the quality, the thin bamboo slicing machine will give a better quality compared to the traditional slicing bamboo. It will give the same size and the same thickness that had been set by the user. Thus, a thin bamboo slicing machine is a good idea and innovation which can be expanded for ease for the processing bamboo. So now, we move to the next part in this presentation, which is the second part, which is the literature review. In this literature review, there is a lot of journal and article review. This is a few lists of the content finding of the literature review, with title Flowering Cycle for Bamboo Plant, in finding of bamboo species and way of living, in title Harvesting Good Bamboo, in finding bamboo harvesting technique and bamboo cutting procedure, a study of physical mechanical properties of bamboo in Indonesia, which is finding for mechanical properties of bamboo and bamboo tensile strength. Next, a title, a dry wet process to manufacture sliced bamboo veneer, in finding of compressive strength of bamboo and structure and rekayasa bamboo, in finding of comparison of tensile strength between species of bamboo and data of tensile strength of bamboo. Next, in the literature review also have the finding for the tensile strength of bamboo, which is yield strength, breaking strength, ultimate strength, in a journal with title Tensile Strength of Bamboo versus Wood. And also have the How to Increase Manufacturing Production Capacity article journal in finding of production capacity and mission efficiency, and also have finding of biological treatment for fiber and important fiber parameter, and also have prospect of bamboo as a renewable textile fiber historical review journal in finding of fiber processing and fiber production technique, and also have design and fabrication of bamboo slicing machine article in finding of bamboo slicing process. And there is some more article and journal that have been used to complete this literature review. So here the last part of the presentation, which is methodology. So the methodology part, we start with the flowchart, which is firstly is design review, design and modeling, 3D assembly model analysis, and we look at the assembly, is it a success or unsuccess? If unsuccess, we have to go back to the design and modeling process. If success, we can proceed to the design fabrication, machine evaluation, and we look at the design validation. If the machine validation not passed, we have to go back to the design fabrication process. If the design validation passed, we can proceed to the result and discussion and the end of the project. First is the design review. The first method that needs to be done is review all the design and idea that had been displayed in the market. As we can see at the figure, this is the few design that have been reviewed in the market. The second method is design and modeling. The thin bamboo slicing machine will be designed using a SolidWorks software. The machine will be designed part by part. All the part design will be joined or combined using made features in the SolidWorks software. And the third method, which is the important method in this project, which is 3D assembly model analysis. The motion analysis will begin with setting the boundary condition, including motor, rotation, speed, and movement constraint. Next step, the computational and animation process. The motion analysis result will be analyzed machine capacity such as linear speed and angular velocity. If there is any error appear, the design will be reviewed and corrected before repeat the analysis over again. The successful analysis will be proceed to the construct the 2D drawing. So in the next method, which is the fourth method, is design fabricator. The fabrication process will do by the external fabricator. The final design share out to fabricator. The detailed drawing in 2D and 3D will be produced and explained to the fabricator. In this part, we need to visit the fabricator time to time to ensure the progress of the machine fabrication. So the next method for this project, which is the last method, is machine evaluation. Machine performance evaluation is critical for objectively demonstrating that a machine can meet the input speed, output speed, motion, the specifications, standards, and quality of bamboo slicing machine produced. Before we end this presentation, let's see to the expected result. At the end of this project, a thin bamboo slicing machine will be produced. The machine will be used in a small-scale production as example for the lab usage. I think that's all from me for this PSM1 presentation. I hope this presentation can give an understanding of my project. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Thank you.